Hi guys, welcome to Manoeuvre scholarship card video. In this video we'll talk about the scholarship card which is nothing but the 50% cashback for all the students, those who are planning to write Nchmct Jee 2020 and end up with the top IHM colleges for their hotel management program. So we have launched the crash course for Nchmct Jee 2020 with the mission that we will be hitting 650 plus marks out of 800. And this video is specially for the scholarship card. So let me explain you what is the scholarship card, guys. Scholarship card is nothing but once you convert the top IHM colleges like IHM Delhi and IHM Mumbai, in that case you will be getting the 50% cashback. Only condition apply, you have to crack your entrance exam and end up with the top IHM, which is nothing but the IHM Delhi, Pusa and IHM DADAR in Mumbai. So at the time of the admission you will get this scholarship card. So keep it with you till the result get out. Once you convert the IHM, whatever fees you are paying for your crash course program, 50% cashback you will be getting. So you have to just go through all the conditions and do collect this scholarship card once you enroll for the batches. So this crash course will be motivation for all the students, those who are going for the IHM Mumbai or IHM Delhi. So जो भी IHM Mumbai के लिए target कर रहे हैं and IHM Delhi, for them I would strongly advise कि आपका 101% दे दो, as we have the exam on 25th of April. 1 month अच्छे से prepare कर लेते हैं with the mindset that you will be cracking the exam with good rank and end up with the top IHM colleges. So crash course is starting from 18th of March. So those who have not yet registered for the crash course, so do register for this crash course, guys. We have center in Mumbai, Borivali, Dadar and VASAI. So जो भी center आपके नज़दीक में है, you can enroll for the batches. As we have limited seat, which is nothing but the 50 seats. So the day you are watching this video, उसी दिन आपकी seat book कर लो, guys. By paying the online payment, you can do online payment also, those who cannot visit to Mumbai, as many of the student board exam is going on. So do enroll yourself and collect the book timetable for the first 10 days and start your online program activation and do collect this scholarship card. ये चार चीजें आपको admission के time पे ले लेनी है. So see you in the classroom, guys, and till the time all the best and thank you.